Marie Dahmer wrote to ask what she's finding on her crepe myrtle. These insects are crepe myrtle bark scales and are becoming more common on crepe myrtle trees across Texas. So watch for them if you have crepe myrtles in the landscape. Crepe myrtle bark scales show up on the trunk and limbs of trees and often start populations near the crotch of branches or at pruning locations. They look similar to mealybugs with their protective coverings as immatures, adult females, or ovisacs, which protect the eggs. Crawlers, the first stage out of the egg, are pink in color and move around to locate a site to feed. Once settled, they feed on phloem, which leads to copious amounts of honeydew. Honeydew is an excrement from various plant parasitic insects that feed on phloem, such as aphids, mealybugs, scale insects, and others. Honeydew can lead to a growth of sooty mold, which is a black fungus that can block photosynthesis from occurring. If you find sooty mold on your plants, you need to look for the insect that is causing the honeydew. Prickly pear cactus can get cactus coreoids, which can also produce honeydew. These insects suck juices from plants, cause yellowing where they feed, and can create honeydew on the plant. You can use a high-pressure water spray to remove soft-bodied insects, honeydew, and sooty mold at the same time. You can also use a garden-dedicated handheld cordless vacuum to remove cactus coreoids from the plant, or you can try hand picking. Wear gloves and kill bugs in either a bucket of hot soapy water or isopropyl alcohol. We'd love to hear from you. Click on centraltexasgardener.org to send us your questions, pictures, and video.